believe this is video 7 of my word builder series where I pick a word in Finnish and we will create multiple compound words out of it. And in that way, you can really firmly remember what that one word means, plus learn a bunch of other useful words relating to that. So in today's video, we are going to focus on the word pika. 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 So pika translates to fast or quick. Pika. All right, so let's learn 10 new words using the word pika and make it into a compound word, starting with pikajuna. Pikajuna. Pika meaning quick and juna meaning choo-choo train. Pikajuna. Pikajuna means fast train. Pikajuna usually refers to a faster train, not necessarily by speed, but it reaches the destination quicker because it takes less stops along the way. So for example, if you're going from Helsinki to Turku and you're going via the train, if you take the pikajuna, it probably either doesn't stop along the way or does fewer stops along the route, meaning you would reach Turku quicker. So that is what pikajuna means. So something to keep in mind if you're booking train tickets. What about pikajuoksija? Juoksija is a runner. It's similar to the word juosta as a verb meaning to run. Juosta, juoksija, a runner. So pikajuoksija means a sprinter. If you are watching the Olympics, jos katsot olympialaisia, and you're watching the 100 or 200 meter sprint, the 100 tai 200 metrin juoksua, those athletes would be called pikajuoksija. He ovat pikajuoksijoita. Pikajuoksija, a sprinter. What about pika and kahvi? Pikakahvi. Surely you know what kahvi means by now. It's a very popular word in Finnish. Pikakahvi means quick coffee, instant coffee. So the coffee that's a powder that you kind of mix into hot water, that is called pikakahvi. Pikakahvi. Pika and muoti. Quick plus muoti. Muoti. What does muoti mean? Muoti. Muoti. Pikamuoti means fast or quick. Fashion. Muoti means fashion, so fast fashion. So what this refers to is the type of clothes you usually would buy from cheaper stores where they just make a ton of the same item of these clothes for very, very cheap. That's why it's called pikamuoti, fast fashion, pikamuoti. What about pikapesu? Pikapesu. Pestä means to wash. Pestä. And pesu is also a wash. Pikapesu. Because pesukone means washing machine. So where you wash your clothes, pesukone. So pikapesu would refer to the fast cycle or the quick wash. So if you see the pesukone and there's a button that says pikapesu, it means the quick wash or the quick cycle. So usually this would be somewhere between 15 to 30 minutes and it just does a quick wash. That would be pikapesu. I think even dishwashers might have this setting called pikapesu, meaning the quick rinse or the quick wash. Pikapesu. By the way, if you enjoy learning Finnish in this way, I actually make monthly little exercise homework booklets every month on my Patreon and YouTube channel members level 2. So after you've learned a month of YouTube content with me, you can go and review what we've learned together in these monthly recap homework booklets. I'll give you a sneak peek at the end. What about pikaruoka? Pikaruoka. Any guesses what this could be? Ruoka means food. Ruoka. Ruoka. So pikaruoka would mean fast food. So any of these chains where you walk in, you pay, usually not that expensive, and you get food very quickly, like these burger places, kebab places, places like this. It's not fine dining. It's not like sit down, you order from a sit down menu. It's like you go in, you order on a screen usually these days, and you just get the food real quick. That's called pikaruoka, quick food, or fast food in English, pikaruoka. This is another transportation linked word, pikavuoro, vuoro, pikavuoro. Vuoro can mean a turn or a shift. So it's combined with the word pikavuoro, it means the express shift. So usually you might hear this sometimes in transportation, for example, in buses. Not that often, but sometimes you might come across this, and it just means it's the express service. So again, it would refer to like a bus line that is operating on less stops than usual, or there are less stops between point A and B, because you're getting from point A to point B quicker, pikaisesti. Therefore, it's called the pikavuoro. This word you will see inside Finnish stores. It is the word pikakassa. 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 Kassa means the cash register or the cashier. Kassa. And pika, quick cash register, usually implies the self-service machines where you just go in there, you have not that many items, and you just quickly scan it yourself and leave. So it's quicker than standing in the line and seeing the person. That's why the name of it is usually called pikakassa. For example, today I was walking by R-kioski and I saw the word pikakassa and I was like, aha, there's that word again. Pikakassa. Pikakassa. And indeed, it did refer to just a little computer where you can check out your own stuff by yourself. Two more words. Kaksi sanaa lisää. Pikanuudelit. Pikanuudelit. You might guess that nuudelit means noodles. So noodle eat. Pikanuudelit means instant noodles. Quick noodles. Instant noodles or instant ramen. The kind of ramen you can buy and boil real quick and eat pretty fast. It's called pikanuudelit. Pikanuudelit. Viimeinen sana on pikavene. Pikavene. Vene. Vene means a boat. So quick boat, speed boat. A boat that can drive really quickly is called pikavene. 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 So I told you I would give a little sneak peek of these workbooks here at the end. And the last word builder video I did was in February 2025, and it was for the word lumi. So if you haven't watched that video yet, you can watch it. I linked it down below. Also, winter is coming up sooner or later, so maybe it's good to refresh some lumi related words. Back in February, in helmikuu, I made a monthly recap little homework booklet, and for the word lumi, I made a crossword puzzle and some fill-in-the-blank sentences. And in that homework booklet, I didn't only include the lumi video practice, but also everything else that I uploaded onto my YouTube channel during the month of February. And in February, I created 16 pages of practice material, and then the rest of it, it's 25 pages long altogether, the PDF that you can download, and the rest of it is the answer key. So you do get the answers in the booklet, so you don't have to worry about whether or not you're doing it correctly. You can always double check in the answer key. Kiitos tosi paljon, kun katsoitte tämän videon, ja nähdään ensi viikolla. Moikka!